kabog at paghihapon.
Naabuso siya ng isang professor namin dati. And syempre malapit sa akin yun dahil hindi lang siya, marami rin akong kaibigan na naabuso. Para ipaglaban yung ganyang klaseng topic, it's barely talked about talaga in this day and age. I'm doing this for them also. Hindi na tatakal masyado yung male to male abuse sa pelikula, kaya nung nalaman ko na tungkol dito yung kwento, may mga experience din ako about it, and also marami akong mga kaibigan na pinagdaanan to, kaya importante yung kwento na to para sa akin personally. My brother, who's very outspoken about it, who's also the assistant director of this film, si Kuya Jerome, is very outspoken about his experience with male-to-male abuse. Naabuso siya ng isang professor namin dati. And syempre, malapit sa akin yun dahil hindi lang siya, marami rin akong kaibigan na naabuso. And para ipaglaban yung ganyang klaseng topic, it's barely talked about talaga in this day and age. Kasi I guess pag lalaki, may ganung toxicity talaga about being silent na lang about your struggle. But to be a part of a film that talks about it, I think it's very brave, and I think may mga makaka-relate for sure, and baka may inspire to, to fight back or even speak up about the stuff that they've experienced.
Ikaw ba personal, meron kang na-experience?
I've experienced around me, and yes, and mga attempts ganun, pero luckily parang wala naman to that extent. But yeah, I mean, I know a lot of people who have gone through worse, and I'm doing this for them also. Yeah, sa Philippines. Opo, yung school.
Which is, syempre narinig talaga natin, nababalita na nga.
Yes, sa balita sa Vice nung peak ng pandemic. But I heard nowadays tinatry na nilang ayusin yung sistema doon, and mas pinoprotekta na yung mga bata. Kasi mga bata lang yun nandun eh. Ako bata ako nung nandun ako eh. Blessed din na nalalapitan ng mga director, ng mga producers and writers to trust me with materials like this na may pinaglalaban talaga, whether personally or socially. Kaya ang trabaho ko lang ay mag-deliver and mabigyan ng justice yung material nila.